Welcome! In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to prevent specific users from seeing your last seen on Telegram web using the latest update. This new feature gives a more control over your privacy, especially if you use Telegram directly from your computer. So let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three small lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a list of options where you can customize your Telegram experience. Next, click on Privacy and Security. This is where all your privacy preferences are stored, and it's the key section for this tutorial. Inside the Privacy and Security settings, find the option labeled Last Seen and Online, and click on it. Here, you'll see the visibility options for your last seen status. To make changes that give you the most flexibility, choose everybody under the Who Can See My Last Seen Time section. Now comes the main part, scrolling down to the Never Allow section. This is where you can select who should not see your last seen. Click on Never Allow and then choose the people you want to hide your activity from. You can search for specific contacts or scroll through your list and select them manually. Once you've chosen the users you want to exclude, confirm your choices by clicking Save or OK, depending on your browser. Telegram will instantly update your privacy settings, and those selected users will no longer be able to see when you were last online.